As market and innovation leader in adhesive dispensing, we develop unique solutions to common problems faced by the automotive industry today. In production, the applicator is often connected to the metering unit via a hose. When changing the bead width, there is a slow response time because of the hose, resulting in inaccurate application. The outcome is high effort and costly rework for the customer to remove the excess material. As hemflange bonding is one of the most demanding processes in body in white, you need perfect application quality, with fast response times. Achieving the perfect result means to apply the right material on the right place at the right time. Sustainable productivity by Atlas Copco.